Welcome to Paz Yachts, your trusted partner for premium yacht and sport fisher deals in the stunning Sea of Cortez. If you're passionate about boating and sport fishing, we have the best. Then there's the rest. Follow us through the 32-feet Luhrs Convertible, now available for sale with Paz Yachts. This boat is turnkey ready for action, professionally maintained by an experienced captain and upgraded to handle whatever comes your way on your fishing and cruising adventures. Let's dive into the details. Powered by two reliable 370 horsepower Cummins 5.9 6BT8 inline-6 diesel engines with just 1,600 hours, this vessel delivers exceptional performance and reliability. It's equipped with 4-blade propellers for optimal efficiency, dripless shaft seals for smooth operation, and hydraulic steering for precise control, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience on the water. For your power needs, the boat features a 7.5 kilowatt Onan diesel generator with only 176 hours of use, providing dependable power wherever your journey takes you. Additionally, it includes a 4,000-watt inverter, a 40-amp house generator battery charger, and an 8-amp engine battery charger. These systems are designed to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently, so you can focus on enjoying your time on the water. Step inside and you'll find the interiors are kept in excellent condition. With new upholstery and carpet, the space feels fresh and inviting. The queen berth offers a comfortable sleeping area, while the plush cushioning and simple yet elegant decor enhance the overall ambience. The space is designed to be both functional and welcoming, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. The boat is also equipped with a 26,000 BTU air conditioning system, ensuring that you stay comfortable in any weather, whether you're cruising or docked. This Luhrs 320 Tournament Convertible strikes the perfect balance between rugged fishing capability and luxury cruising comfort. It's turnkey ready and poised to deliver exceptional experiences on the water. Located in La Paz, Mexico, this boat is ready for immediate use. Don't miss the opportunity to own a piece of Luhrs legacy and make your maritime dreams a reality. Contact Paz Yachts today for more information. If you're looking for dependability and flexibility in a boat that is ready to explore the stunning waters of the Sea of Cortez, this is your go-to boat. Thank you for watching. For full details on this listing, follow the link in the description. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more excellent boat deals and updates from the Sea of Cortez. Turnkey boats like this don't last long, so act fast and stay tuned for more exciting opportunities.